strengthen my vision and aspiration of letting Filipino excellence shine through me as your next Miss Supranational. And that is to inspire, to serve, and to show you what this Filipina can do. And I can't wait to embark this super journey with you. Chikoy.
My parents are both fish vendor, and one of the reasons that I'm standing here and I'm working so hard because I want to build him a better future. And I know that someday I can build their future house and everything that they want, and I hope that someday I can make them proud. Thank you so much.
Alright, mabuhay Philippines!
Good afternoon, everyone, and of course, welcome to Supra Duo Victory Press Conference. Of course, today is a celebration of doing the good ones who represented our country well in the international stage. But anyway, it's really an honor to be hosting this event with you. It's our International 2024 first runner-up Isabel de la Sala.
Today is a special event because you don't have just one host, but two hosts. And I feel so bad. Okay, one thing pala that's all about Mr. Supranational 2025 for runner-up Kenneth Kabungkan.
And of course, Miss Supranational 2025 first runner-up, none other than Tara Valencia.
Ang ganda, ang guwapo. Ang pogi naman. Wow, okay, photo op first before we have the Q&A or kamustahan.
Oh,
Q&A,
ito muna.
hindi ba pinatawag yung ano nila?
Okay, in 3,
Kamustahan
2,
lang po.
1. One more in 3, 2, 1. Last one. Here.
Go ahead and your friends take the opportunity to have a photo. Of course, of Tara and Kenneth. And then later on, for the meantime, you guys may prepare for the question as you guys will have the floor later
For the tournament to win. So, kamusta kayo? How has life been after the pageant? Let's start with you, lead gentleman first. Okay,
Go ahead, Kenneth.
Okay naman, ako pa rin to. Sobrang saya po, sobrang malaking blessing sa akin kasi ang daming parang it will be a gateway of opportunity for me. And for this experience, hindi ko po yun makakalimutan. Ang daming memories, ang dami pong nabuong brotherhood. And sobrang saya po talaga ng experience doon. Parang hindi ko siya naging pageant. It's a beautiful experience and very memorable.
Thank you, Kenneth.
Go ahead, what about you, Tara?
Ang dami nila ngayon. But first of all, I would like to thank everyone for being here celebrating this victory of ours. And at the same time, how was we Tara during and after the competition? Well, going home here in the Philippines, it's Tara that has more experience. Tara that has more learnings about cross-cultural understanding, and at the same time, memories that I have built, not just with the Miss Supranational organization, but also with all the candidates that I was with. And I'm just so thankful to experience that this year.
Grabe, grabe talagang halatang fresh na pageant sila. Yung mga sagot nila, kami lang to ha.
Correct. But actually, before natin ibigay ang floor sa ating mga media friends, I actually have a question. Since, yes, medyo prepared tayo today. Okay. Actually, nandito ngayon ang ating next na Miss Super Philippines or Supranational Philippines. What advice can you give to Katrina?
Good ka? Malay mo. Well, I'm really sure na ma-enjoy mo talaga. Since day one, I did enjoy my journey until the coronation night. I never really felt that it was 3 weeks, and every single day there was a whole new experience for me. So, treasure every single moment there. And alam ko naman malalaban niya to, di ba? And sabi ko dito kay Kat, if not me, then maybe she is our next Miss International.
Wow, you're very excited for that.
Grabe na sisterhood, no? It's really present. Actually, bago na yung question sa video, gusto ko magtanong actually. Since na-mention mo kanina, Kenneth, na ang dami yung nakuhang experiences and learnings na memorable, ano yung pinaka-memorable na nakuha mo in the pageant, other than placing a sport runner-up? Sorry, mahirap ba?
Marami po akong, since first time ko po ma-experience yung ibang bansa, marami po akong nakikang difference from here to there. Marami akong natutunan na bagay na parang di mo kailangan maging sila. Kailangan mo lang maging ikaw. Just be yourself. I think this is also my advice for that. Kasi given naman yung beauty niya, ganda yung height, lahat. I think what he only needs is to like work with his heart and with God. Yun talaga ang parang formula para manalo ka to. And I think kaya na ni Kat and he will win.
I love it. So, I agree. We were created uniquely for a reason. Kaya you just be yourselves when we go to the international stage. Ayan, and speaking of unique, ito na, let's open the floor for each unique question from the media. Mga ipasok ko.
Yeah, but before that,
Okay.
to give our duo
Yes.
a congratulatory message, may we call the Vice President for Communications, Mr. Voltaire Kaya.
Oh, yes. Also,
So let's give him a hand.
also known as Celeste. Cortesi.
Hello. Hello.
So first of all, so good to see you guys. You know, it's always so much fun going to Poland for the supranational experience. It's such a great organization to work with. We know that the women and the men are being taken care of. I know that there are so many new experiences. Actually, both of them, I was, talking to them prior to the pageant. I was hanging out with Tara in the auditorium nung nag-rehearsals with Kenna. And to think that now we're here, I know all the hard work that you put into it. And for Tara, it's all of the waiting. You don't know how difficult that is to stay motivated all this time. And she was able to reach the position she got. And for Kenneth to have come from, humble beginnings, but still remain humble to this day. At yung nakakatawa sa kanila at nakakatuwa was seeing them so joyful with all of the little experiences. I think that's one of the most beautiful things that I saw with these two that I didn't see sometimes with the other delegates in the past. Not you. No, because they had this childhood joy, this childhood wonder that they had. And I think it's that beauty and that innocence that they had, which made them endearing to the judges as well. So I hope you continue to have that in you, and congratulations.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir B, for that message. Now, looks like Alice is very excited for this one. Go ahead.
Siyempre, binibigay na natin media friends their portion, their time to shine. Okay, for the Q&A from the media, let's start with...
And also, please state your name and affiliation for asking the questions, alright? I believe we're ready. Go ahead, sir.
Oh, my name is Jerome Itas, from Pamilya Omnicore. So my first question po is for Miss Tara. What was the best part of the Miss Supranational 2025 competition for you?
Alam niyo, you wouldn't believe me if I would say the rehearsal parts. So, every single day of our rehearsal, I get to know more of my twin sisters. I get to know more of their backgrounds, how they was preparing and going there in Poland. And doon talaga kami ng pag-bond. And I think yun yung until now I will treasure kasi we're always still in contact with each other.
I love it. Actually, gusto ko rin mag-chime in bago. Nakita namin na nag-enjoy ka talaga with the sisterhood sa mga updates mo, sa mga reels mo, and we love seeing you enjoy your journey in Poland. Sorry. Again, one more question. Siyempre, natin ano sa as a host.
For Kenneth, what are your plans moving forward in your career or personal development following at your
Actually, I have no future plans yet kasi hindi ko pa alam yung kung anong opportunity na papasok sa akin. But I hope that whatever it is God's will for me.
For sure, meron madaming dadating.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan, next question. Another question.
Next, we have.
Hi, this is Tenten. Hello, Paul. Hello, Tara. Hello, Kenneth. It's obvious that two of you has that very beautiful face. Sabi nga nila face card. What of the beautiful faces have you ever produced in the pageant scene? I'd just like to ask, what makes you grounded?
What makes me grounded? Tama po ba yun? Yeah. What really makes me grounded is always looking back to those people who helped me all throughout my journey, who believed in me since day one, and who was with me until Miss Supranational. And looking at all of them, I really devoted myself when it comes to every performance that I do. And I always tell them that this success is not just for me, it's also for every single one of them.
Ako naman, as coming from humble beginning, parang dala ko po yung journey ko. I always go back to where I came from and my core values.
Thank you, Paul. Go ahead.
Hello po. Hi, I'm Kenneth. Congratulations. I'm Mark Talawian, Celebrate International. So my question is, one of your dreams has been fulfilled. And what was the next dream that you wanted to achieve?
Kaya na sinabi ko na I don't have future plans yet, but I also have a dream to get my license as civil engineering. But hindi ko naman alam kung anong ibibigay sa akin ng opportunity for this maybe showbiz. If by chance, then why not? So, yun.
I'm sure, Kenneth, with your humility and your gratitude, talagang you'll go a long way. And I'm sure we're all gonna root for you.
And we hope makuha ng license.
Ano yes,
Iniin. Okay. Go ahead, Tara.
Ako naman, lagi ko rin tinatanong sa sarili ko, anong susunod para sa akin? And I always come into a realization that ever since then, I never close doors to any opportunities that is given to me. Because I know for myself that is my way for me to improve myself and for me to be a step closer to my dreams. So winning Miss Supranational 2025 third runner-up, it's just the beginning for me, and I know that because I am really looking forward to more opportunities that would really help me reach my goal, and that is to be able to have that type of comfortable life for my family.
Thank you, Tara and Kenneth. And we're very sure that opportunities will really come your way because what's meant for you will never pass you by.
Okay, that's so true. I agree to that. Next, we have
Naging tentong. Ang silent natin. More questions?
Good afternoon po. First of all po, congratulations po sa both sa inyo. And my question is, sino po yung pinaka-close yung candidate and how does it impact your journey in Miss Supranational or Miss Supranational?
Labang po sila. So if I get to choose one, the very first candidate that I got to be close with was Miss Zimbabwe. So very bubbly, lady Sean at the same time. She really does help me with anything that I request with. And siya yung naging travel buddy ko if you're going to like look back on my journey as Miss Supranational Philippines. Ayun po.
Miss Zimbabwe, how about you?
Ako marami akong naging close actually kasi pinakita ko sa kanila kung sino tayong Pinoy. We're very friendly. But yung mga na-close ko doon is sila Curacao, sila Mexico. Kasi yun yung time na pumunta kami sa Slovakia and doon parang naka-heart to heart talk kami nila. And mas nakilala ko sila na kung sino sila and where they came from, kung anong simula ng journey nila in pageant. Mas nakilala ko sila buo and mas nakilala ko sila kung gaano sila katunay and gaano sila katotoo.
You know, when you're true to yourself, you attract the same energy. Yeah, I'm so happy that you also found friendship other than placing and rising victorious for the Philippines. Another question.
We come from Manila Standard. Double congratulations to both of you, Ingrid and Queen Tara. For sure, one of these days you'll be having your Grand Parade in your respective provinces, like in Cordillera and in Visayas, no? So let's say you meet a lot of spectators, like those little kids or those children who aspire to be like you in the future. So what would you tell these young ones to continue with their dreams?
Ako, one of the reason why I came back to pageantry kasi tapos ako before international na. Wala na sana akong plans to join again, but since marami akong na-inspire ng mga kids, may na-meet ako before, na nakausap ko, doon yung parang nag-drive sa akin na sumali ulit. Kasi sa ginagawa ko, masaya lang ako sa pageantry, may marami pala akong na-inspire ng kabataan. So, if my message to them is, if they want pageantry or anything in life, just keep trying. Try and fail, but never fail to try.
So much. What about you, Windara? Those young Cordilleras.
Yes. Sa akin naman, I was really hesitant joining pageants before kasi nahihiya ako to coordinate with other people, to socialize, and I really am an introvert before. Little did I know that when I opened the door to pageantry for me, it really helped me to be able to improve myself, to be able to be heard, to be able to be inspirational. And to that one child, or to every children that aspires to be a beauty queen, just never close the door, open it, accept it, because sooner or later, you might be the next Miss Supranational or other types of beauty titles.
So much, Andrea. The next question pa ako pahabol. One very good thing about this Miss Supranational is about showcasing passion, different passions from around the world. So we're just curious, what was your reaction when you first saw your competing round for the national, for the long gown competition? Because that was perfection, that was so beautiful.
Well, first of all, I really want to commend my evening gown designers. For the preliminary gown, it's Nicolari Espinosa, and also for the finals gown is Rian Fernandez. And first, sa preliminary ko, the concept there was White Swan. And as I told everyone, it's the calm before the storm. Because the concept naman kay Rian was to showcase the oceanic part of the Philippines. And the reason naman bakit ganun ang color was the 3 colored pieces in front of us when we were conceptualizing the design. And little did we know that the swan gown and the gown of Rian would really look good on that stage, would really stand out. Kasi sa amin naman, just wanted to show his abilities through that majestic masterpiece.
Thank you ulit and congratulations again.
Thank you so much, Sir Ethan. One more.
Hello po.
Question is for Tara. Tara, is this international your last pageant, or is it possible na we'll see you again in the Secrets of the stage?
Isa pa ba? Well, gaya nga na sabi ko kanina, I'm not closing my doors yet to any opportunities that will be open for me. And if sooner or later, my calling is to join another pageant again, maybe.
So make sure lang sa Empire. Okay, for Kenneth naman. Kenneth, this coming October, I think, or maybe late this year, the PBB Brother announced na parang magkakaroon ng second season ng Celebrity Collab Edition. So, open ka ba sa possibility na, kasi last edition, I think si Ralph is under Empire. Open ka ba na if ever na yung may padala for the team?
If by chance, then why not? I think siguro gusto naman, pangarap naman yun ng lahat na makapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. And I think parang bagay naman yun sa akin kasi I have a story and isa din ito sa mag-inspire ng maraming tao.
Hindi ka naman masyadong shoulder.
Talaga nga naman. Malalaman natin sa takdang panahon. Okay. Another question from Ms. Diane.
Afternoon, Diane Casillo sa ABS-CBN. So nice to see you. I'm picking up from what Walter said, how nice yung sinabi niya na parang sa inyo nakita niya na nag-enjoy talaga kayo with every part of the pageant and very grateful. So seeing na masaya na kayo parang to join the pageant, Kenneth, I wanted to ask you, nagulat ka ba na out of how many, 38? That, I mean, you finished 4th runner-up. So, nagulat ka ba? O sa tingin mo sa pagmamasdan mo sa iba, you knew it?
Yes po. Sobrang pinagulat ko po na nakapasok ako sa top 10 and nakapasok ako sa top 5 kasi to be honest, during the days na hindi pa prelims and finals, sobrang lungkot ko po doon kasi nakikita ko sa online na hindi ako part sa mga hotpicks and nasasad ko kasi
Hindi naglagay.
parang nalulungkot ako sa mga taong tumulong sa akin kasi parang hindi ako visible doon. And always ko lang tinatawagan si Papa J, sila Rick na anong gagawin ko. Always akong nagpapa-assess sa kanila. Sabi naman nila na it doesn't count, dapat gawin mo lang yung best mo. Pero ito yung isang way na parang naging winning point ko kasi doon ako nag-strive more. Hindi naman naging competitive but doon naging more drive na magpursige pa ako at galingan ko lang sa closed doors, sa preliminaries, and sa finals. Kasi yun yung mga important parts ng pageant para manalo. And yun, kung tinawag ako sa top 10, parang happy. But after nun, pagsagot ko sa top 10 na question, which is given to us 1 hour before nag-start yung show, parang nag-struggle ako doon kasi paano ko kaya isasagot yung sagot ko in 20 seconds na not templated, hindi siya practice na answer. So yun, parang nag-struggle ako doon kaya medyo sabi ko baka top 10 lang talaga ako. But luckily, I'm so happy na tinawag tayo sa top 5. Then sabi ko doon na sasagutin ko na lang to from the heart. And yun, parang nalungkot ako doon, but nakita ko yung mukha ni Papa J. Sabi niya, smile sa top 10 ko, top 10. So yun, parang sobrang sad ng face ko, but gano'n na naman. I'm so happy kasi I make my mama proud. And, kasi Yun po, sobrang parang nalulungkot din ako kay Mama J kasi already siyang nababash and madaming mga sinasabi sa kanya, but hindi niyo po alam yung sacrifices na ginagawa nila para sa amin. And it's not easy. It's not easy po na yung mga hindi nakikita ng tao po, yung mga sacrifices nila. Yung gastos, grabe. Doon parang, naisip ko po na paano kaya namin babayaran sila mga J. Bilyon-bilyon po yung gasto nila for us and papasahin pa lang lahat and parang wala silang parang hinihingi kapalit para sa amin. Gusto lang nila i-represent yung country natin well doon sa international stage. Sobrang thankful ako kay Mama J personally. Thank you, Ma, and we love you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Gusto mong join. That was so nice for you to say that. Di ba, Mama J? Marami kang
Another travel opportunity.
So anyway, natutuwa ako sa answer mo talaga. Natutuwa talaga ako. Pero i-follow up na natin since nandito na rin sila. Since sila rin yung mag-ano ng next step ng career. Diba? Sabi mo, you wanna enter PBB, or you wanna do showbiz, or whatever. May dream ka ba na maka-role ng teleserye, like maybe Kevin? Meron ka bang, ganun lang, ano yung dream? Yung,
Kayong dalawa.
ha? Yung, kunyari, if they were to ask you, if any network were to ask you, what would you like to do? Like, what show? Meron ka bang maisip na pe? Or at kung sino yung gusto mong kalapin, if ever?
Actually, yeah, gusto ko po maging artista, bata pa lang ako. Idol ko yan, lover boy.
Wow, lover boy.
Lover boy!
Pero ano po, bata pa lang ako, parang, like, now, sinasabi nila, Martin daw, ganun.
Coco Martin.
Gusto ko po, action or something like that.
You heard it. Okay, God bless. Good luck. Thank you for sharing that, Kenneth. Tara, I was so happy to watch your pageant online. Parang ang saya-saya mo rin every time you advance to the next hop. Diba? So I'll ask you the same question. Nagulat ka ba? Or expected mo? How was it for you inside every time you made it to the next step?
Honestly, so, unang beses pa lang, naniwala sa Mama J na kaya kong i-represent ang Philippines on this international stage. Panalo na ako dun eh. And to be able to be called Miss Philippines, winner na ako dun. So, the opening game plan when I joined Miss International Stage was to really enjoy every single moment of it. So, nung times na mga nakapasok tayo sa first half, second half, third half, it really made me feel the kilig factor na Philippines ang natatawag at natatawag. So, ano, super happy lang din talaga.
And your dream next step, what would it be? You have such a pretty face, grabe, and you're so beautiful. Ano yung gusto mo kung meron kang mahihingi na pwede nilang ilakad?
Mama J. Well, ako, I'm open for opportunities under modeling, commercials, or if there is an opportunity when it comes to acting. So, kaya
Sa Empire Mercator tayo dito. So you went to the right door. Correct?
So with that, thank you so much, Ms. Diana. Thank you so much to our media friends. Now, we are about to close this small gathering. So with that, what is your message na lang to everybody who's supporting you guys?
I will always be grateful with every single people who helped me at the same time. Sa mga kababayan ko na tumulong sa akin, na nag-rally behind my back towards the Miss Supranational title. Thank you so much. And that's what to say then. With or without this sash, I would still remain the Tara Valencia that you get to know with. So thank you so much for building my personality, Mama J, Sir Bob there. And of course, Kat. See you as the next Miss International.
Ako sobrang thankful ako kay God kasi binigyan niya ako ng ganitong opportunity sa buhay. I never thought na mapupunta ako sa spot na to. Looking back, 2 years ago, since nag-start ako sa pageant, parang I don't think na makakaabot ako dito kasi nag-try na naman ako before. And I think this is a message to every children out there na kaya nyo rin, kaya na ginagawa ko. And sobrang thankful ako sa mga taong tumulong sa akin from the start until now. And sa mga taong dumagdag, yung mga nanatili pa rin sumuporta sa akin, tumulong. Kaya thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Alam ko na kung sino kayo. And thank you post naman ako. But marami akong nakalimutan doon sa thank you post ko. Kaya I'm very sorry guys. Babawi ako sa inyo. Thank you so much talaga. Wala ako dito kung wala kayong lahat. I'm also thankful Tara kasi bibig sa Poland. Nagtulungan kami. May always tinatanong siya kung ano ginagawa nila sa post door nila. Sabi niya, eme ko lang, chika-chika na ako naman. Sige nga, chika-chika na rin ako. So yun, parang thank you Tara, thank you sa guru mo. And to Mama J, thank you talaga Ma'am. Thank you dahil ngayon, una-una pa lang naniwala ka na sa akin na pag-supra ako. Yun, malaking bagay na yun. And thank you, Miss B, sa lahat ng team.
Miss B?
Ay, Miss Sir B. Thank you sa inyo. Sa lahat ng media, sa lahat ng sponsors natin, sa lahat ng sponsors namin, salamat sa inyo kasi mas nagpa-function yung MPW at yung Empire ng dahil sa inyo. Kaya thank you so much and I hope next year marami pang sponsor na mapasok. I love you all and sana na hindi lang hanggang dito yung pag-support nyo sa akin dahil tapos yung pageant journey ko. Sana friends pa rin tayo kahit anong mangyari. I love you all and God bless us all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kat, and thank you, Tara.
And there we have it. That concludes our Super Duo Victory Press Conference.